Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to increase the virtual memory on our Windows 11 or 10 PC. So let's start without wasting your time guys. So first of all, open the system information. Once you open that, you can see total physical memory. Only look for this option. So I have 4 GB memory. Okay, so we are going to increase it as per the document of the Microsoft. We can increase the minimum 1.5 times and maximum 3 times of the physical memory. So how to do that, I have calculated for you guys. You can take a screenshot of it. If you are using the 4 GB RAM, so you can put the minimum and the maximum. If 8 GB you are using, the minimum value should be here and the maximum should be this. So I will show how to do that. So click on here, start menu, click on settings. Once you click on setting, go to setting options, system options, and scroll down, look for about, and here look for advanced system setting. You can also press Windows plus R button together and type the sysdm.cpl and you will get the same properties. Okay, so this is the system properties. We need to click on this option, first one, performance, then look for advanced, then look for change options. Now in here guys, untick this option, automatically manage, and we need to look for custom. So in my case I'm using here the 4 GB, so just copy this. You can get into my description box these terms here. Okay, and the maximum should be this 12,288. Once you put it this way, click on set, click on OK, and click on OK, click on OK, and now you have to restart your system. So let me restart my system and then I will show you how much virtual memory I have increased. So I have restarted the system. So go to setting options here and you can see the system options. Just scroll down, look for storage, open that up, and you can see the improvement of the system is enhanced. Click on show more categories. Now in here guys, we need to look for system reserved, so let it load first. Now you can see 6 GB memory has been increased, virtual memory, when I let it refresh. So this is how guys, after that your PC performance will be boosted and you can use multiple apps at the same time or the heavy apps. So this is how guys you can use the virtual memory of your Windows. So thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.